It's that time of the year where we pack our bags and look forward to our year-end or Christmas vacation. And when it comes to packaging, I make sure I have a to-do list, and BabyChakra's Travel Kit definitely is one of the most important items in my list. So I'm all set with BabyChakra's Travel Kit, part of my kids' travel packaging. And we're done. So, as mentioned earlier, the kit has three most important products needed for your kids' bath and body. So, it has the moisturizing baby wash, strengthening baby shampoo, and the nourishing massage oil. Priced at 250, each of these bottles have 30 ml of content in them. So this here is the natural strengthening baby shampoo with the goodness of curry leaf oil, sandalwood oil, rosemary oil that helps gently cleanse your baby's scalp and also helps with the symptoms of cradle cap. It helps strengthen the roots and also keep their hair soft and supple. This here is the Nourishing Baby Massage Oil with the goodness of avocado, almond, saffron, vitamin E, and moringa oil. This helps nourish your baby's delicate skin and also helps strengthen their skin barrier. Third and most important product in your travel kit is your moisturizing baby wash, enriched with plant-based cleansers, beetroot-based hydration active, coconut oil-based cleansers with rose oil, moringa oil, manchester, pumpkin seed oil. These help in strengthening your baby's skin barrier without stripping off the oil. They help gently cleanse the skin, taking the dirt off, at the same time also strengthens the skin barrier. When it's also winter, we need their moisture locked, so this would be a perfect solution for your baby's cleansing needs. All products from Baby Chakra include 100% natural and certified ingredients, so you need not worry about parabens, SLS, because they're completely toxin free and they are left out in the ingredient list, because we all need only safe products for our skin, and co-created with pediatrician and moms like us who trust Baby Chakra. This is definitely a good option when you travel. My travel is never complete without having the Baby Chakra Travel Kit, and I'm sure that based on this review, you will also purchase the same. Code BBC Gift YT to avail 20% off on your purchase.